have your ball and working yarn above you, pull off enough from the ball so that you have a bit of slack to work with. It's a bit easier. And then the tail of your yarn is going to point down. Okay, so the tail pointing down, I'm going to grab my working yarn and wrap around 2 fingers. When I go back on top the second time, I'm going to cross over. Okay, so once again, tail pointing down, grab your yarn, wrap around 2 fingers, cross over, and then with your hook you're going to reach under the first string, grab the second, and pull it off so that that loop stays on your hook. You see that it's quite loose. You just need to hold onto the tail and then pull this working yarn just to get it nice and snug, nice and close to the hook. So that is your slip knot. I'll go again. Tail pointing down, hold it in 2 fingers, wrap around on top and cross over, reach under the first, grab the second and pull it through. Get it nice and snug to the hook.